So there are 5 different nitrogenous bases that can be attached to a nucleotide. And these nitrogenous bases can be divided into 2 main groups, which are the purines and the pyrimidines. So purines are going to have a 2-ringed structure, whereas pyrimidines have only 1 ring. And the way that I remember this is that purines is a shorter word. The word purines is shorter than pyrimidines, but the molecules are a larger structure. Whereas pyrimidines is a bigger word, but the molecule is a smaller structure because it's just 1 ring. Okay, so the nitrogenous bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, so A, T, C, and G, can be found in DNA. Whereas adenine, guanine, cytosine, uracil can be found in RNA. So the T and the U are switched. So DNA is a TCG and RNA is a UCG. So in addition to the differences in that sugar, we also have differences in the bases that make up DNA and RNA. So let's look at the structures of our purines and pyrimidines. So here we have our purines. Remember, purine is a shorter word, larger molecule. So here we have our purines, which are adenine and guanine. And you can see that they are both these 2-ringed structure. And then over here we have our pyrimidines. Remember, bigger word, smaller molecule. So we have these 1-ringed structures, which are pyrimidines, which are cytosine, thymine that you would find in DNA, and uracil that you would find in RNA. And one way that you can remember which of the nitrogenous bases are purines versus pyrimidines is by using this little trick right here. So purines, think pure as gold. A and the G stand for adenine and guanine, so those are the purines. The pyrimidines are cut from purines. So CUT, you can think of cytosine, uracil, and thymine. And pyrimidines being cut from purines, you can kind of think of it having this 1-ring structure, whereas the purines have 2, so it can be cut from the purine to make the pyrimidine.